students. This is Sonia Khetrpal, TGT Science, KV number 3, Agra. Welcome. Today, we will be studying chapter number 6, Life Process, class 10, Science. The topic for today will be excretion in plants and animals. First of all, excretion. This word we have come across in our previous classes also. Excretion is just the removal of waste products from the body. From where does these waste products come from? These waste products come from various metabolic activities which took place in our cells, like digestion, respiration, growth, repair, maintenance. All of these activities yield some kind of waste products and they have to be removed from the body. Just take a simple example from your daily life. You all have seen dustbins. Suppose a dustbin is kept in your kitchen and your mother or you are throwing fruits and vegetable peels, leftover food and other waste material into this dustbin. What do you observe after 2 or 3 days? You will observe a stinking smell coming out from the dustbin. It is because of the growth of microorganisms in the dustbin. The dustbin has organic matter which has started decomposing. Similarly, in our body, if the waste gets accumulated, it will be harmful for the body or even maybe lethal for us. As we have systems for respiration, digestion, similarly we have system for excretion and that system is called as human excretory system. Human excretory system. The human excretory system consists of a pair of kidneys, a pair of ureters, a urinary bladder and urethra. Kidneys. Kidneys are the main excretory organs which produces urine. They help in filtration of blood. They remove the nitrogenous waste from the blood. Ureters are the long tubes which carry the urine from the kidneys to urinary bladder. Urinary bladder are muscular organ which collects urine and when it gets filled up, the urine is expelled out through urethra. Now we will be studying how urine is formed in kidneys. Each kidney is made up of millions of cells called as nephron. Nephrons are the functional unit of kidney. Each kidney is made up of many filtration units called as nephrons. Nephron is the functional unit as well as the structural unit of kidney. Each nephron is composed of a long tubule and a filtration unit called as glomerulus. Glomerulus is a network of blood capillaries to which renal artery is attached. Renal artery is that artery which brings the blood rich in nitrogenous waste like urea to the kidney. Glomerulus is enclosed in a capsule-like structure a portion called as Bowman's capsule. The Bowman's capsule extends into a fine tubule which is highly coiled. Tubules from various nephrons converge or collects into collecting duct and which finally drains into ureter. It means the renal artery has bring the nitrogenous waste containing blood to the kidney. It enters the glomerulus from where the filtrate has passed into the Bowman's capsule and the filtered blood has sent back through renal vein into the body. Now, how does the nephron works? Ultrafiltration takes place in glomerulus. Filtration happens because of very high pressure inside the glomerulus. The waste products are filtered out through the thin membrane of capillaries in the glomerulus. The filtered blood is sent to the systemic circulation and the filtrate goes into the Bowman's capsule. Remember, this filtrate contains water, glucose, amino acids as well as urea. These nutrients like glucose, amino acid and most of the water is useful to our body, so it is reabsorbed when it passes through the long tubule of the nephron. It happens because the tubule is surrounded by a fine network of blood capillaries, and this process is called as selective reabsorption. In this, most of the water, glucose, amino acids are reabsorbed back into the blood. Now what is left is called as urine. It mainly consists of water and urea and it is in the concentrated form. Now how excretion takes place in plants? Plants do not have excretory system like us. They remove the waste through the various parts of their body. Oxygen, which is a byproduct of photosynthesis, and carbon dioxide, which is a waste product of respiration. Both of these are the waste products and they have to be removed from the plant body. They are removed by the process of diffusion. Many waste products get collected in old leaves and are removed with shedding of leaves. Resins, tannins and gums also contain waste substances. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.